Okay, so there's, I think, 29 different ones. There's number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, here's 18. I'll call this Knight Rider, the Knight Rider mode. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Oh, I'm sorry. Forget that 27. That's 29. That's 28. And that one's 27. This one here is actually on this thing that I'm pressing. Let me see if I can show it to you. See how it shows it? So you put that on, so you want to make it like a left. This one's number 28. And this one's number 27. Those are given. And then this one here you can program. Unfortunately, you can only program one. That's the power, and that does the patterns. But this one here, the middle one, all right, I'm gonna use that for Knight Rider.